Hi, I'm Theresa, and I'll be your guide on this journey.
What's the best thing that can happen when we engage in conversations about race? How many years of unconscious bias trainings does it take for people to get conscious about racial bias? Nothing good comes from avoiding talking about racism.
What do we do when our boss is saying or doing something inappropriate or offensive? Not a lot of people signing up for calling out the boss. As your guide, I'll prioritize your emotional and psychological safety, but not your comfort. No discomfort, no growth. Practice makes progress in action. 90 days of action, to be exact. The variables of inclusion are often not clear-cut. If they were, we'd get it right more frequently. Please remember that if you prioritize intent over impact, it causes additional hurt for hurt people. If a white person's life is hard, skin color is not one of the things making it hard. In addition to what white people get from white privilege, it's also about what they don't get. Hassled. Allies mostly stand with or support an individual or marginalized group in both words and action. The experience of racism is not a difference of opinion. It's not a debate. You completed the assignments. You have new tools. You have a living, breathing journal that documents your journey. Your knowledge has increased. Your awareness has been expanded. And once you know what you know, you can never unknow it.